Okay, we're starting the sealant process where the glass goes in. And we start in the corner here, putting a bead down. And Jonathan, his wheelhouse is caulking. He puts it on real even to that groove. The middle. And here's my helper friend, Jonathan.
Hello.
You need a helper. You can't do it by yourself.
No, you can't.
So it was slick. We spent 20 minutes on that.
Yep.
And we spent 20 minutes on this one corner over here the other day. So worked out real well. We'll let that sit there for a couple days. And then we'll come back and install the windshield. Alrighty. Thanks, Jonathan. And now we're going to go over here. We're going to put caulking right in here, the sealant right in this valley. And I'm going to run a second bead right up here that will match this top piece here. And then this, where the rope is over the frame. And we got Jonathan over here, my master caulker. There he is. Boy, my hands are so weak. No way in heck I could have done that. And he just puts it on there nice and even smooth. Look at how that's going in the valley there. Yeah. Over here, we got Jonathan having a smoke break. And I'm a smoker too. So you really need to take some breaks in between. If you're not a smoker, have some lemonade. So let's hope that the rest of this ends up going smoothly. Well, here's Jonathan again, my helper, my caulking master. And I end up meeting him over at Ace Hardware. I was over there getting some hardware for the T-Bird. And I had a hose in my hand. I dropped it on the floor. And he said, "Hey, bud, you dropped this." And he handed it to me. He says, "Oh, my God, you were out there horny toad up there in Cave Creek." Anyways, at the end, we found out he was from Alaska. And at the end, he handed me a business card saying painting and sheetrock. And he said, if you need anything or somebody else needs it, give him my card. So anyways, about 5 days later, I gave him a call. And he showed up and painted the exterior of my house. And then this week, he painted my inside of my house, some touch-up. We're selling the house here in Phoenix. And then he ended up helping me with his windshields. It was quite a story. I wouldn't have met him if he was there mailing something to his brother up in Alaska. Yep. And it was like one of those things, if I had a cigarette a little longer in my car, I would have never met the guy. So it turned out to be a wonderful experience.
Absolutely.
So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to have many more episodes of the restoration of this. I call this the Red Bird, actually. The one in the back over there that I'm using as spares, I call the Bird. But anyways, and hit the notification. Like I say, there's going to be several episodes, so if you subscribe, you'll know when I post more videos. Have a nice day.